Welcome to the first video in learning to use Google Classrooms. We're going to start with how to accept an invitation and get online with a Google Classroom. When you get invited to a Google Classroom, you're going to receive an email. Find that email in your school board Gmail account. This is very important. Please make sure you're accessing your school board Gmail account. Look for class invitation, the name of the class. Simply click Join from the email. You'll be taken to an external window. And you'll be brought to the home page. Most importantly on the home page for you will probably be classwork, but you can also view the people in your class, including your teachers, and the stream, where you might see some news updates, recent posts, or check-ins from your teacher. When you click on classwork, you can easily view, categorized in reverse chronological order, all the work your teacher has posted for the class you are in. Thank you for viewing. This video has been brought to you by